Beloved child, listen closely to my voice. I know the battles you have been fighting. I see the nights when you felt alone, the days when the weight on your heart seemed too heavy to carry. I know the moments when you wondered if you were strong enough to keep going. But today I want you to hear this truth clearly. You are not defeated, you are not forgotten, and you are not powerless. You are more than a conqueror. The world may try to tell you that you are weak. Your past may whisper lies that you will never rise again. The struggles around you may look bigger than your strength. But remember who walks with you. I am the God who parts seas, the God who raises the fallen, the God who turns impossible situations into testimonies. When I am with you, defeat is never the final chapter of your story. There are battles you have already survived that you once thought would break you. Think about the storms you have walked through. Think about the days when you felt like giving up, yet somehow you found the strength to take one more step. That strength did not come from you alone. I was there, holding you, guiding you, carrying you through the darkest valleys. You may feel surrounded by challenges right now. Maybe it is pressure at work, struggles in your family, financial stress, or a quiet battle in your heart that no one else sees. The enemy wants you to believe that you are overwhelmed, but I want you to see something greater. Every challenge in front of you is proof that there is something powerful inside you that the world cannot destroy. You are not just surviving your battles. You are overcoming them. I have placed courage within your spirit, resilience within your soul, and purpose within your life. What you are facing today is not meant to defeat you. It is meant to reveal the strength that I have already placed inside you. Do not measure your future by your current struggle. Storms do not last forever. The same wind that feels like it is pushing you down today will soon become the wind that lifts you higher. I am working behind the scenes in ways you cannot yet see. Doors are being prepared. Paths are being cleared. Breakthroughs are forming even now. Remember, a conqueror wins a battle. But when I say you are more than a conqueror, it means something deeper. It means that not only will you overcome the battle, but the battle itself will make you stronger. The pain you endured will become wisdom. The struggle you survived will become strength. The story that once caused tears will one day inspire others to stand up and keep going. You may look at your life and see unfinished dreams. You may feel like time has passed and opportunities have slipped away. But I am the God of restoration. I can rebuild what was broken. I can restore what was lost. I can open doors that no one else can open. Do not allow fear to control your next step. Fear tries to make you shrink back when I am calling you to move forward. Fear tells you that you might fail, but faith reminds you that I am guiding your path. Walk forward with courage, knowing that I am already in your tomorrow. Some of you listening right now feel tired. You have been strong for so long that your heart is weary. You have prayed, waited, hoped, and wondered when things will finally change. Hear my promise today. Your perseverance has not gone unnoticed. Every prayer, every tear, every moment you chose to keep believing has been seen by me. The breakthrough you have been praying for may be closer than you think. The answer you have been waiting for may already be on its way. Sometimes, the darkest moment of the night comes just before the sunrise. Do not give up now. Keep walking. Keep believing. Keep trusting. You were not created to live in defeat. You were created to rise, to grow, to overcome. I have called you for a purpose that is greater than the obstacles in front of you. The world needs the strength that is inside you. Your story will remind others that victory is possible. When doubt tries to enter your mind, remember who you are. You are chosen. You are loved. You are guided. You are protected. And through my power, you are more than a conqueror. So stand up today with renewed strength. Lift your head. Take the next step forward. The battle may be real, but so is the victory that I have prepared for you. The storm may be loud, but my promise is louder. Your story is not ending in defeat. Your story is moving toward victory. Walk forward in faith, because with me beside you, You are not just surviving this season. You are rising above it. You are overcoming it. And you are becoming stronger than you ever imagined. You are more than a conqueror.